Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20i. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, and now go to screen lock. As you can see right now, we've got to unlock, and right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, pin, password, and in the end pattern. When it's done, we can go to biometrics, like fingerprint and face unlock. Firstly, let's set up fingerprint. Add fingerprint, tap next, and now you have to scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Simply tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap finish, and now you can unlock the phone using the fingerprint. In the end, let's set up face unlock. Simply enroll face and scan it in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.